Welcome everyone to my channel, and today we're going to discuss how to increase your Instagram followers. So if you're really new here, you better subscribe to the channel Tutti2 for more videos about all the instruction I'm giving, internet tips and tricks. So let's move to the content. We're using tips like relevant hashtags, call to action, leaving your impression, shoutouts, Instagram stories, social sites, your bio. Alright, so with all of these tips and tricks, I'm going to show you how you can actually increase your Instagram followers in a very short time with real people. This is my profile, and here you can see that all of my posts are tagged with something. We call it hashtag on social sites. This is what we call hashtags, and you can actually tag all of your posts with these using relevant hashtags. Now, what is relevant hashtags? I mean, look, this is actually a post about quotation, so I write it all about the Rumi quotes, quotation, and all the hashtags that is related to quote. Now, if you scroll down, all of my posts are actually tagged with this. Hashtag helps use to reach more and more audience, and more people will come to your profile and will follow you, of course. So hashtag is the best way to increase your Instagram followers and to reach new audience each and every day. You can use around 30 hashtags in each and every post, so don't lose the chance. Don't just go for 5 or 6 hashtags, but choose all of them. It is a little bit annoying, so actually there is a way to hide these hashtags which are really used. Like, if you scroll down more, you can find it. Look, hashtags are not appearing, but when you click on more, you can see the hashtags. So this is how your post does not look spammy and people follow you as like you're a real account. Second favorite thing is call to action. Okay, the golden key is here for anyone to increase engagement on any social platform. Call to action is basically a caption asking followers to do something. So you upload a picture, you put the perfect hashtags. Now you want to engage your followers. So this is what we call to action. Like, look at the caption, right? PAIN, pain, letter by letter. So you're actually telling your followers to do something for you in comments, and which actually help you to engage with your Instagram followers and create an audience. Later you can use them and they will promote your content, and it will increase the accuracy, or we can say the quality of your content on Instagram. And this is how we increase the engagements, by using the call to action. This step is not just for limited Instagram. You can use it Twitter, Facebook, blogs, or YouTube videos, or whatever. It is one of the best thing people do. Third favorite thing, leaving your impression. Now, what is this? So this is a post, and you scroll, we all are following many people here. Now this is something I actually do. Hit the like and comment something good, like nice video, and then after you can tell them follow me back. By doing this, I mean, you have to do it like 20 or 25 people each and every hour. So if you do it for 10 hours, your message actually spread to 250 people. Out of that, there is a sure guarantee that 200 or 150 people are going to follow you back each and every day with just one step, which we call it leaving your impression. So I do it with a lot of profiles. We say wow, and then we're going to call it follow me back. So this is how we get the follow backs, and then later we can remove them. You can see my Instagram follower has increased in a month. It is just 2,500 almost. Fourth important thing is shoutouts. Shoutout is, wait, let me mark this. Shoutout. We are actually going for the fourth step. And okay, this is an important but a later step. When you see some people liking your post, just go and direct message them and tell them to give you a shout out. This step works like a chain. Their friends will follow you, and then you can direct message to them for a help. And this is how you actually keep on increasing your Instagram followers. I've done it a lot of times like this. I text people, and here it is. You can see it. I actually tell them like, this is my new page, and can you mention me in your story and tell people to follow me, so they give me a shout out.